Let us start mathematics, and I am going to start algebra. Why algebra? Because it is the second highest marks in the examination point of view. In algebra, I am going to start polynomial. So the chapter is polynomial, and the question arises in your mind, what is polynomial? So polynomial, an algebraic expression, in the form. Which form? Listen carefully. an x की power n, an minus 1 x की power n minus 1, an minus 2 x raised to power n minus 2, and so on, even x plus a0. This is the general form of the polynomial. Okay, so an x की power n plus an minus 1 x की power n minus 1. The power of x is going to decrease. It means that the power of x in the first term is the highest power. So I am writing here is the highest power. The highest power represents the degree of that particular equation. It is represent the degree, and degree define the types of polynomial, means types of polynomial. Means if degree is 1, degree is 1 means, example, equation x plus 1. The power of x is 1. So this is called linear polynomial. Second, if degree is 2, example, x square plus x plus 1. The highest power of x is 2. So it is called quadratic polynomial. If degree is 3, example, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. The highest power is 3. So it is called cubic polynomial. So what I discussed here, that the highest power of x represents the degree. The highest power of any variable represents the degree, and degree defines the types of polynomial. One more thing which I am going to discuss here is the number of terms in the polynomial defines some concept. Suppose, what is monomial? Monomial means, example, 2x, simple one term. It has only one term. So if in a polynomial only one term, it is called monomial. Okay. Second, binomial means, example, 2x plus x square. It has two terms. So if the polynomial has two terms, it is called binomial. Trinomial, example, it has three terms, x square plus x plus 1, 1, 2, 3. It has three terms, so it is called trinomial. So this is the basic concept which I discussed here. An algebraic expression in the form of an x raised to power n plus an minus 1 x raised to power n minus 1, and so on. So an minus 1, an minus 2, these are the coefficient. Okay, these are the coefficient. These are the coefficient. And the highest power of the variable define the degree, and and degree define the types of polynomial. And after that, polynomial has defined on the basis of their terms. If they have one term, it is called monomial. If they have two terms, it is called binomial. If they have three terms, then it is called trinomial. On the basis of degree, if degree is 1, it is linear polynomial. If degree is 2, then the quadratic polynomial. If degree is 3, it is the cubic polynomial. Okay. So let's come to the next topic. So now I am going to solve exercise 2.1. Question number first, find polynomial in one variable. Okay. The most important part, we are asking one variable. So question number first part, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. So it is very clear that in this equation there is only one variable, which is x. So it is polynomial in one variable. So I just tick on this part. Second part is y square plus root 2. It is also a polynomial in one variable. Why? Because it has only the one variable, which is y. Third part, 3 root t plus t root 2. It has also only one variable t, but the problem is that the power of t here is 1 upon 2, means that it is a rational number. Okay, rational number. Because of rational number, we cannot define in a polynomial. The power of variable is rational. In the fourth part, y plus 2 upon y. Okay, listen, I am writing here that 2 into y raised to power minus 1 means that the variable power is minus 1, which is not a whole number. So it is not satisfy the condition of polynomial. So it is not a polynomial. Now in the fifth part, the variables are 3, x, y and t. But the powers are whole numbers. So it is polynomial. It is polynomial, but not in one variable. It is in 3 variables. So I am writing here, if they are asking polynomial one variable, the answer is no, but it is polynomial in 3 variables. So in 3 variables, but 3 variables. But if they are asking polynomial in one variable, so the answer is no. It is not one variable, it has 3 variables. Okay, so it is clear. Now come to the second part, find coefficient of x square. Each polynomial has the coefficient. Listen, I am writing here 2 plus 1 dot x square plus x. So it is very clear that this part is a coefficient. Okay, beside x square, this part is a coefficient of x square. So answer is 1. In this equation, there is no x square terms. So the coefficient will be 0, because there is no x square, then there will be no coefficient. So answer is 0. The third question, I'm not written here. So just look at the book. Give one example, each of the binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of degree 100. We know that monomial, binomial, trinomial. Monomial, which has only one term, binomial, which has only 2 terms, and trinomial, which has 3 terms. So they are asking, give one example, each of the binomial of degree 35, means degree is highest power. So can we write this? Can we write, suppose that y raised to power 35, we can write it. It defines the degree, but we want the binomial. So you can write anything. So the question they are asking, degree should be 35. I am writing 35. The highest degree of y is 35, and it has 2 terms. It means the binomial. So this answer is correct. It may be possible that if you want to write here 10 or 5, it is also good, no problem. But the condition should be satisfied. It has 2 terms, binomial, and the degree is 35. The highest power of y is 35. Okay. And the second part is a monomial of degree 100. Monomial means only one term and degree 100. So y raised to power 100 is a monomial. So this is monomial and this is binomial, and degrees are differs. Question number 4. Write degree. Degree is the highest power. So write degree. If we talk about that 5t minus root 7, the highest power of variable t is 1. So degree will be 1. And in this equation, the highest power of y is 2, then degree will be 2. Simple.